Good morning, YouTube. Hope everyone is doing well. Happy Friday. Super excited about this Friday, just trying to end the week strong. Overall, it's been a great green week for the both of my accounts. Today on stream, I will just be trading ES, which is the S&P 500. So we do have a red folder calendar event at 9:45 a.m. So just want to be cautious about that. But basically, I'm probably not going to be taking positions right off opening bell because we've had a strong resistance with 4 touches at 61.49. I would want to see candle closure so that we break out of this range. So I won't be taking a trade in the first 5 minutes from the looks of things, no matter how much volume comes up on the upside, just because I wanted to close above this resistance to show that, for more confirmation that we're going to get out of this channel. On the downside, same thing. I would want to see a break and close below 61.39. So that's what we're looking at. I'll be trading US 30 on my phone, but yeah, this is what we're looking at today. Let's put 3 right there. Okay. We have about 2 more minutes until market open. As you can see, ES has already broken up pre-market. With our strategy, it's important not to take any trades before market open. Just kind of let it do its thing. I might be taking a trade at 10 a.m. honestly. I'm not really liking the structure here on ES as of now. So market has opened. And just let ES do its thing. Like I said, I'm not going to be taking any trades on ES at the moment. It is looking like it's pushing up though on ES. I'm actually currently in a US 30 trade on my Forex account, so just looking at that. We'll actually pull that up on my Forex account because currently I will not be taking any sort of ES trade, I don't think. Yeah, not going to be taking anything at the moment here. But here's the US 30 trade I'm currently in. It's trying to break up. We broke resistance, and we had a trend line break as well right here. So just hoping we can hold the volume push up for a 1-to-1. So we'll be looking at this trade. We got in right there. There it is. If we do hit, it's about right there. So we had, on this trade in particular, we had a trend line break, as you can see right here, and a resistance break. I will only be giving this trade one opportunity, but I do like the setup right now. We are hoping for a continuation push to the upside so that it'll hit its highs up here at 44,585. Right now, it looks like the volume is slowing down a tad bit, but it's still early in the trade. It's about 9:33. I think if we can close above 44,544 on the 5-minute, then we are all green lights to hit our target for a 1-to-1 on this trade. Right now, volume is slowing down. Come on, US 30. Just give us a push. Let's see what NASDAQ's doing. NASDAQ's staying in its channel. Just waiting for this trade to play out. I will only be giving this trade in particular one opportunity, and I'll be looking for an ES trade after the news event at 9:45. So I will be looking to exit this trade before 9:45 because of the red flag news event. So hopefully we can make a push before then. It's kind of just stuck right now. Yeah, I'll be looking to exit this trade at about 9:43-ish, depending on where we are. But we really need this 5-minute candle right here to close above 44,544. Push, US 30, push. You got it, you got it. All right, one more minute until candle closure. If we close above 44,541, I think we are green lights to go all the way up to 44,588. Otherwise, I might be thinking about managing risk to the downside. I have a 50-point stop, but on the next candle, it should respect this 935 candle closure at the bottom of this candle. So we'll see what happens. We've got 15 more seconds till candle closure. Like I said, I'll be managing risk on the downside if we do go to the downside. The next candle should respect this low of 44,506. Candle is closed. Getting ready to take partials either way. Don't really like that candle closure because it closed below resistance, but I do like the opening of the next candle. We have 5 more minutes until the news event. Yeah, see, because we didn't close above, my only hesitancy is if we fall back into this range. And if we do fall back into this range, I'm going to manage risk by closing almost half of the position if we break this low of the previous candle at 44,505. So I'll be looking to close half if we break that low. Just give us one more big push to the upside. Red folder calendar news event at 9:45. That is all we want to see, is a push to the upside. Got 3 more minutes till the event. Really just thinking about being out of this position all in all, yeah. So I'm gonna close. Thinking about closing half. And close half right here. Just to manage risk a little bit, I mean, we have a red calendar event at 9:45. And we didn't break and close above this level right here. So we have about 1 minute 30 seconds until the red calendar event. Just stock. Okay, we've got 1 more minute until the event. I'll probably be out of this position only because of the event occurring in about 1 minute. So we are going to be out in about 10 seconds. All right. Gonna exit out of this trade only because we have news coming up in 30 seconds and just don't want to mess with that. So we just managed our risk, had really a 10-point stop there. Nothing going on. I will be taking another trade on this account if the opportunity presents itself. Let's look at ES. Okay. The event just occurred and it looks like it's pushing ES to all-time highs. Let's see what US 30 is doing. US 30 is pushing up. NASDAQ looks like it's pushing up, so overall, market is pushing up. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to be taking a trade on ES anytime soon. So yeah. Well, that's that. I'm just going to cut this short because it's probably going to be until after 10 a.m. where I do take a trade again, and I don't feel like staying on here for that long. So thank you again for joining, and I will be taking Monday off because I am going to be in California and I have a whole day booked, but Tuesday morning I will be back on it. So thank you again for joining.